Let's get started. Start with listening, and then learn new words and practice them in sentences.
Have you ever wondered what it truly means to live sustainably? Let's ponder on that for a minute. In its most basic definition, sustainable living means making choices that reduce our negative impact on the environment. This could be through the foods we eat, the products we buy, the way we travel, and even the energy we use. But it's more than just a series of actions. It's a mindset, a commitment to the health of our planet. Now you might be asking, why is sustainable living important? Well, the answer is simple. Our planet is facing serious environmental issues, from climate change and deforestation to plastic pollution and loss of biodiversity. Each one of these problems is a thread in a larger tapestry of environmental crisis, and they're all interlinked. We can't solve one without addressing the others. And that's where sustainable living comes in. It's about making conscious choices that collectively can help address these issues. But let's break it down a bit further. When we talk about sustainable living, we're talking about a few key areas. First, there's resource conservation. This means using our natural resources like water, soil, and energy in a way that doesn't deplete them. Second, we have waste reduction. This involves reducing, reusing, and recycling to minimize the amount of waste we produce. And finally, there's supporting sustainable practices like buying products from companies that prioritize environmental responsibility. So we've got some new vocabulary here: resource conservation, waste reduction, and sustainable practices. These are the pillars of sustainable living. They're the steps we can all take to reduce our environmental footprint and contribute to a healthier planet. Sustainable living is not just a trend, it's a lifestyle change that has profound implications for our planet. It's about recognizing our role in the environmental crisis and taking responsibility for our actions. It's about making choices today that will ensure a healthier, more sustainable world for future generations. And most importantly, it's about understanding that every single one of us can make a difference. We just have to be willing to try. Our planet is facing numerous environmental challenges. Do you know what they are? First and foremost, let's delve into climate change. It's a complex issue, driven by greenhouse gases that trap heat in the atmosphere, leading to rising temperatures worldwide. This causes a cascade of problems: melting ice caps, rising sea levels, and extreme weather events, to name but a few. But these aren't just abstract, far-off problems. They're happening right now, affecting everything from our weather patterns to the food we eat. Next, we have pollution. From the smog in our cities to the plastic in our oceans, pollution is all around us. Every minute, the equivalent of one garbage truck of plastic is dumped into our oceans, causing harm to marine life and disrupting delicate ecosystems. Air pollution, too, is a serious concern, contributing to respiratory diseases and other health problems for millions of people around the world. Then there's deforestation. Our forests are being cut down at an alarming rate to make way for agriculture and other human activities. This not only destroys habitats for countless species, but it also disrupts the balance of carbon in our atmosphere. You see, trees absorb carbon dioxide, so when they're cut down, that carbon is released back into the atmosphere, exacerbating climate change. Finally, we must consider the loss of biodiversity. Our planet is home to an estimated 8 million different species, but we're losing them at a rate up to 1,000 times higher than natural extinction rates. This loss of biodiversity threatens the balance of our ecosystems, which we depend on for everything from clean air and water to food and medicine. These environmental challenges are daunting, to say the least. Each one is a complex puzzle with many pieces, but they're not separate issues. They're interconnected. The pollution that fills our rivers and skies contributes to climate change. The deforestation that wipes out our forests drives the loss of biodiversity. These environmental challenges are daunting, but by understanding them, we can begin to find solutions. Now that we understand the challenges, what can we do to live more sustainably? Living sustainably isn't as arduous as it may seem. It's all about making more eco-friendly choices in our day-to-day lives. Let's start with reducing waste. One way to achieve this is by practicing the 3 R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle. Reduce consumption by buying only what's needed, reuse items where possible, and recycle materials that can be repurposed. Next, let's talk about energy conservation. Conserving energy doesn't mean sitting in the dark. It can be as simple as switching off lights when leaving a room, or choosing energy-efficient appliances. Here's a new term for you: phantom load. This refers to the energy devices consume while they're switched off but still plugged in. So remember to unplug your devices when not in use to avoid this unnecessary energy consumption. Now, on to renewable energy. This is energy that comes from resources that are naturally replenished, like sunlight, wind, and rain. When possible, opt for renewable energy solutions. For instance, solar panels can be a great investment for your home. Not only do they reduce your carbon footprint, but they can also save you money in the long run. Finally, we have conservation. This involves protecting our natural resources and using them wisely. This could mean choosing products made from sustainable materials or even planting a tree. Every small act of conservation can have a big impact on our environment. Let's not forget about sustainable products and practices. Supporting businesses that prioritize sustainability can make a significant difference. This can range from choosing organic produce to buying from companies that ensure fair trade and ethical sourcing. We've covered a lot of ground, so let's quickly recap. We've discussed reducing waste, conserving energy, using renewable energy, conservation, and supporting sustainable products and practices. Remember, each of these words represents a step we can take towards a more sustainable lifestyle. By making small changes in our daily lives, we can make a big difference for our planet. In the face of these environmental challenges, we each have a role to play. What's yours? Let's ponder on this. Each one of us, in our own unique ways, contributes to the well-being or otherwise of our planet. It's not just about governments or large corporations making significant changes. It's about us, the individuals, making small but impactful changes in our daily lives. This may involve making conscious decisions about the products we buy, the food we eat, and the way we use and conserve energy. Think about it. Have you ever considered how much water you use in a day or how much waste you generate? Have you thought about where your food comes from or how the products you buy are made and packaged? These are all aspects of our lives that have a direct impact on the environment. And the good news is we can control these aspects. We can choose to consume less, waste less, recycle more, and support businesses that prioritize sustainability. But it doesn't stop there. Our collective efforts can lead to larger societal changes. When we all start demanding eco-friendly products, businesses will respond by prioritizing sustainable practices. When we all start conserving energy, utility companies will invest more in renewable energy sources. When we all start recycling, waste management companies will improve their recycling programs. Moreover, our voices matter. We can use our voices to advocate for environmental policies, to spread awareness about environmental issues, and to inspire others to live more sustainably. We can use our votes to support leaders who prioritize the environment. We can use our influence to encourage our friends, family, and community to make more eco-friendly choices. It's a ripple effect. Our individual actions can create waves of change, leading to a more sustainable future. The key is to start now. Start with one small change and then add another and another. Before you know it, you're making a significant impact. Remember, every action counts. Together, we can help create a more sustainable world.
Let's learn new words and practice English at level B2. Sustainability. Sustainability, the ability to be maintained at a certain rate or level without depleting natural resources or harming ecological balance. Example, sustainable living practices are essential for protecting the environment for future generations. Renewable energy. Renewable energy, energy from a source that is not depleted when used, such as wind or solar power. Example, investing in renewable energy can significantly reduce our carbon footprint. Carbon footprint. Carbon footprint, the amount of carbon dioxide emissions for which an individual or organization is responsible. Example, reducing your carbon footprint is crucial for combating climate change. Recycling. Recycling, the process of converting waste into reusable material. Example, recycling is an effective way to reduce waste and conserve natural resources. Conservation. Conservation, the action of conserving something, in particular, the preservation, protection, or restoration of the natural environment. Example, wildlife conservation efforts are critical for preserving endangered species.